Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my barbecue meatballs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Callie_kitchen_1, and follow my business page, it's Accessories by Leams. Once again guys, thank you for subscribing and welcome to my channel. So here I have my minced beef already washed, and I use vinegar to wash my beef. I also have onion, I have scallion, I have bell peppers, of course I have my garlic, and I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to use a small amount of soy sauce, also some all-purpose seasoning and black pepper. So first thing what you want to do, you just want to go ahead and season your minced beef. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice up my onion, and I'm not going to slice it too big. The reason for this is you want it to have that crunch. So when you're eating your barbecue meatballs, you want to have that nice crunch from the onion, from the bell peppers, to the garlic, to the scallion. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Callie_kitchen_1. Sorry about that. And you can follow me on Facebook. It's Callie J's Kitchen, and follow my business page. It's Accessories by Leams. Once again guys, I try to make all of my recipes easy and simple for you guys. And guys, always remember, everyone cook different. Everyone cook different in their own way. So if you see I add something here that another person doesn't add to their food, it's fine. Remember, cooking is about being creative. And always remember guys, if you don't have something, always try to substitute. So for example, you don't have any onion, that's fine. If you have scallion, go ahead and add your scallion. Use your bell pepper. Use up whatever you have in your house to cook your food. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead now and slice up my bell peppers. And as I said before, I'm not slicing them too thin nor too big. I want them to have the nice crunch. Alright guys, so now that I'm finished slicing up all of my seasoning for my meatballs, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add them to the minced beef. And what you want to do, you always want to ensure that you combine this together, because of course you want your seasoning to be evenly distributed. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the black pepper, and I'm also going to add some of the soy sauce. And of course, I'm going to add some of the all-purpose seasoning. So once I've added all of the seasoning, now it's time to go ahead and combine everything together. And of course, guys, as you can see, I'm not using any salt. The reason for this is that the all-purpose seasoning already contains a lot of salt, so I won't be adding any salt to this. So what I'm gonna do, once I'm finished combining all of the seasoning together and the minced beef, I'm just gonna cover this and leave it for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and start to make my meatballs. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna cover this and then I'm gonna come back and start making my meatballs. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start making my meatballs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take up small portion of the minced beef with the seasoning, and of course I'm just gonna roll this in a ball and put it on a dry plate. So as you can see, I roll it in a ball and of course I put it on a dry plate. So I'm just gonna do the others. Then we're going to go ahead and fry our meatballs. And of course guys, I already have my pot with my oil on the stove heating up. So while I'm doing this, I put my pot on the stove to heat. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start frying my meatballs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add them one by one. And I'm just gonna allow them to fry on each side. So I'm just going to allow them to fry on each side until it starts to catch this brownish color. So I'm just going to turn them over on the other side because you want them to catch color. And guys, don't worry if your meatballs, you see your meatballs kind of, darkish. That's fine. That's really fine. Don't worry about it. Remember, we're going to make a sauce for this. And of course, we're doing barbecue meatballs. Alright guys, so I'm just going to allow this to fry. Then I'm going to remove them from the pot. So I'm just going to remove them now and put them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Then I'm going to start making my sauce for my meatballs. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and start making my sauce. So first what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some water. Next thing what I'm going to add is some soy sauce. Then I'm going to add some black pepper. And of course, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. So now what I'm going to add is some barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to add some ketchup. And I'm just going to combine this together. And also, guys, what I'm also going to add is some parsley flakes. And I'm also going to add some brown sugar. Guys, you should smell this. It smells so good. And of course, you know, the sauce doesn't take a long time to cook. Really easy and simple. So go ahead and try this sauce. Alright guys, as you can see, my sauce coming together. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some brown sugar now, just to give it a nice sweetish taste for the barbecue. And also, the reason why I'm adding the sugar, I think the sugar give it a nice color, helps to give it a nice color also. Alright guys, so as you can see, my sauce is all ready. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead and add my meatballs. And of course, I'm just going to cover it with the sauce. So I'm just going to add the meatball, then I'm going to just cover it. And then I'm just going to serve it up and show you the meatballs with the spaghetti. So you want to ensure that your meatballs are well coated with the sauce. So I'm just going to cover this, and then I'm going to show you the final product of my barbecue meatballs with spaghetti. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my barbecue meatball with spaghetti. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Until next time, thank you for watching, and remember to follow me on all social media platforms. It's Callie J's Kitchen on Facebook, and it's Callie_Kitchen_1 on Instagram.